Work clogs through the years, as you can see. So basically, we're here inside the museum of the wooden clogs.
So, yeah. Make shoes. Make my shoes. Come on. As soon as it gets full though, somebody's gonna make the shoes.
Okay. So the wooden shoes, its purpose, I'll show you why they make it to protect their feet so that they will not lose toes during their hard work. Alright, so this is it guys, witnessing it, and Alejandro and the kids are enjoying it, correct?
Use fresh green wood. Half the weight is water. That makes wood soft and a lot easier to work with. Traditionally, they were made by hand. This knife was to shape the outside of the shoe. And they use spoons group several sizes to hollow out the inside. Método antiguo is de grano cuchillo para el exterior. Hay varias paredes. Well, we start with the outside. And that works in the same way as duplicating keys. It's a single copying lathe. Máquina para el exterior. Es máquina copiadoras. Mismo sistema con estas llaves.
Ano daw? So that's for 3 minutes. Dati daw 3 hours handmade. Let's check it now. Oh.
Same principle applies for the inside. El mismo sistema para el interior. Zaanse gamma. The heel and the toe are cut off by hand.
Clap your hands, Ali.
Here at Mocha, it's a humida. It's fresh green wood, still wet. This shoe is going to be dried very slowly. It takes 3 to 4 weeks. After drying, the shoe is passed over a sandpaper belt. E depois secá-la madeira, 3-4 semanas, lentamente, e depois polido com papel de lica.
Mama, how do you understand?
Finalmente, es un juego para los niños de 4 años. And the final result is a shoe to fit a child of 4 years old. It looks quite big, para de grande, the calcetín de lana é dedo mais grande. You wear it with thick woolen socks and 1 finger extra room inside. Wooden shoes are actually very strong, they offer good protection. Spelen ze mooi flat, maar je hebt protectie. Weighing isolante, impermeable. Zoals windmeten en waterproof.
Luckily, I'm not a shoe.
Dry and safe. Well, that's how it's done. I thank you very much for your attention. Gracias.
Amazing.
we were amazed, right? So that's a very interesting knowledge about the
You need a
wooden
size
shoe.
bigger.
And as you can see here, you need a special sock. Plug sizes, wool from the sheep, heat for your feet. Okay, so let's go. They have many different colors, and basically it was a good knowledge about explaining it, how everything works and what's its purpose. So like I've shown you earlier. Okay, so it's 5 p.m. So we're gonna have some late lunch. Alright, see you guys.